Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to make a working roller coaster in Minecraft. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to just do that. So to do that, all you need to do is some activator rail, powered rail, and normal rail, and sticky piston, birch. You won't need the redstone block. But yeah, you just need the redstone block. So for just a few stuff, and then redstones right here. And of course the minecart. So now we're just going to give it a small one, and you can make it large however you want it to be. So now we're gonna put it right here like that. The first thing we need to do is just start with the end of the rail. So this is the ending of the, call this the train. I meant the roller coaster. It's gonna be the ending of it. And we're gonna put the activator right there. Then we're gonna put one, two. It's it two. So the mine cart should stop right there. So it's right now. It's right there. So see, we're just gonna put this down here. See, oopsie. There you go. Let's put some redstones right down here. Oopsie. There you go. So put it down there. There you go. It's supposed to stop right here. So let's try it. Oopsie. I forgot to put the stop thingy. Forgot to turn it on. So to turn this bad boy on, just add one right here. There we go. Activator. Just it. Start. Let's try it on. And it's supposed to shake me off. There you go. It just automatically removes me. And for some reason, it didn't slow down as much. So yeah, so we're just gonna add this right guy right here. I think that will work when it's turned off. Try it. There you go. We'll put three. And another one right here. There we go. As you see right there. Now we're gonna add this one right here. We're gonna add a rail right there. So what's that for? Is for the to make your a little bit of a box right here, like a control area. Okay, get to control the machine. There you go. Make a small little area there. There you go. Put it there. Here we're gonna. This will work once it's connected right here. So let's try it. Uh, Try to turn this on right here. First, need to connect this right here. So right here. We're gonna connect this right here. There you go. As you see, it will connect. Then once it's up, the rails right here will just activate right there, and then they can move now. So the purpose of this one is so if they didn't pay, you can just stop them from riding. So we're gonna add this one right here, like that. So it will just stop persons riding. They won't continue. So we're gonna add this right here. Just gonna make a small one, more small train. There you go. Now, when making turns on your train, make some turns. I'm gonna show you that how to make some turns here, but first we're just gonna make the big drop. So we can have a drop right here. There we go. Let's say about this high for the train. And it's gonna go down right here. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. As you can see, it ended there. So we just gonna add this one right here. There you go. there, there. In the turn, we're gonna put the turn now here. There you go. As you see, it turns thing, and then we're gonna add another turn right here. There you go. And on this turn, I'm gonna I'm gonna add this one right here. Let's see. About that, we're just gonna add it here. Another turn here. Then we're gonna add another. We're gonna add another turn here. Oopsie. Actually, it's 1, 2, 3. We're gonna make it 5. Sorry, there we go. We're gonna make it another 5 right here. See, there we go. So I'm gonna add another one. So last one. Just makes the ride a little bit um fun. There you go. Then just continue it. Well, this is just a small one, but you get the idea. You can just add those guys so you can turn, turn, turn. There you go. Then you just want you can add another high, then low again. There you go. Or just mix it all up, then go back high, then go back high. Let's see. There you go. Go back high, then low again. There you go. You can do it. Last one right here. High, and then low again. There you go. Then just add redstone on each one right there from the ending. Each end just add redstone. There you go. So you don't have to actually copy this, but you get the idea of how to make it. So yeah, there you go. Let's see. Get the idea on how to make a roller coaster in Minecraft. There you go. It's right there. I'm just gonna connect this right here. Turn. Another one here, redstone right here. And we're gonna stop right there. So there you go. Here is your Minecraft. As you see right here, let's say it went here. People stop and stop. So it stopped right there. See, it stopped now. As you see right there. Oh, I forgot. We need to put sign. Sign. Um, sign here. Press W when. Press W when. Let's see. Press W when the tracks turn turn bright red. There you go. So once the tracks turn on bright red, it turns on bright red not because of this, but because this block of redstone connecting that there, so it went up. So now all the riders need to just click on W. And it will start. There we go. See, it goes up, down. Then it's gonna shake right here. Shake, shake, shake. Then go back up, down, up, down, up, down. Then there you go. You just made yourself a roller coaster. So you see, it goes endless, and once it's once it's at the like there, or once it's just made past there, you can just close this part. As you can see, it was just stop right there. There you go. There you go. There we go. It stopped. So yeah, there you go. That's how you make your own roller coaster in Minecraft. So you can just make your fix your house, the command post a little bit, cover this up. There you go. Cover this up and just add designs, glasses, or something like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed, if you have any questions, type down in the comment section below. I'm happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.